Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. My name is Anna and today is my last update for my project pen. I'm trying to finish 11 products until Christmas, and in this little box here I have the 7 products that are still remaining in this project because I have already finished 4 products. So if you want to see the whole series, I will be linking it down below in the description box. And now let's take a closer look at the products that I have left. Now let's start with this setting spray from Makeup Revolution. It's called the Glass Glow Fix Ultimate Glow Dewy Fixing Spray. And I have already used this one here up. So this one here is an empty and it's gonna be rolled out of this project. So I'm very happy that I have finished the second setting spray that was in this project. Now I'm going to use some other setting spray that I have in my collection. And I have used this one here 12 times since the last update, and then it was totally finished. So this one here is an empty. Then next is this primer here from Essence, and it's called the Fresh and Fit Awake Primer. And as you can see, I have cut it open. So this is the other part of it. I have cut it open and I have already used up everything that was in here. So this one here can go now. And then I hope that you can see that there is some product left here. On the sides you can really see it. So there is quite a bit of product left in here. And I'm going to use it up completely until the next update, or until the finale, because this is our last update today. So I'm going to film the finale on the 23rd of December, I think, or maybe on the 25th, I don't know, because we celebrate Christmas on the 24th, though I think then I won't be filming. So I'm going to film my finale on the 23rd of December. And I hope that it's gone until then. So I'm really trying to work on this one and I think that I can use it up until then. So I have used this one here 8 times since the last update and I think I can finish it until the finale. Then next is the Milk Makeup Hydro Grip Primer. This one is a travel size and it takes me quite some time to use it up because I have used this one here 7 times since the last update, and I marked it here in the last update and now I'm down here somewhere. I have to mark it after filming. And I don't know if you can see it. So I have quite some product left. So I think I have to use it at least another 8 times or maybe 10 times to use it up completely. But then it will be gone and I'm so happy when it's out of my collection. Then next is my Clinique foundation. It's the Even Better foundation. And I have mine in the shade Ivory. CN28. I don't know if I have mentioned it ever before, what shade I have. And this one here I didn't use a lot of, but I have used it 6 times since the last update. So it was more than the month ago. So I'm pretty happy with that. And I have marked it down here, so I have this bit left. And I really hope that I can finish this one up, but I'm not so sure. I don't know. I don't have to use a lot of it when I use it, so I'm not sure if I can really finish it, but I will try my very best and I hope that I can finish it. Then next is my Milani Prep Set and Glow Illuminating Transparent Powder. And this is how it's looking like at the moment. I have used it a lot. I have used it 14 times and it was quite a lot. I think it was the only powder that I used in the last month. And this is how our pen size is looking like at the moment. Now it's a bit hard to get some product out, so I'm thinking about repressing it, but I don't know if I want to do it. I mean, I think I can use it up, but I don't know if I can really finish it until the end of December. It's a bit harder than I thought it would be because I hit pan naturally on this product and then I just expanded the pan during this project. And now I don't know if I can finish it. It's not that I get a bit stressed, but I feel like, oh, it's only 3 weeks left in this project and then I have to be finished with all these products, and I don't know if I can make it, to be honest, but I really want to and I'm going to try to. I think I'm going to repress it. If I can then use more of the product, it would be really worth it. So I think I'm going to do it tomorrow or tonight and then I can, I don't know, start fresh. So this is my Milani powder and I really do enjoy this powder. I'm really happy to use it as a setting powder now and not as a finishing powder. It really works very well for me, but I think I'm not going to repurchase it immediately because I have so many powders in my collection that I want to use up first, and then I will think about what powder to repurchase and what not. But it's a very nice powder. It's just not that illuminating. It's just a nice setting powder for me. Then next we have the NYX Born to Glow Liquid Illuminator. This is also a travel size, I think. And this one here was quite a challenge to use. And I have used this one here 4 times since the last update, which is not a lot. But when I use it, I really do use a lot of it. So I think that I can really finish it until Christmas because I have to squeeze, I think here, so down here, to get something out. So there can only be this amount of product left and I really have to squeeze it together. So I think there is not a lot of product left in here and I think that I can finish it because I started using my cream blushes again more, and so I used this one here to lighten up my cream blushes and it works so good for that, and I think that I can really finish this one. In the last update I wasn't so sure because I thought that there were a lot of product left in there, but now that I made so much progress, I really think that I can finish this one here. And then the last thing in my project is this concealer here from Maybelline. It's the Fit Me concealer. I don't know what shade I have because it has all worn off. But as you can see, I hope that you can see it, I have stored this one differently. So I have stored it straight up standing like this. And then all the product set down to here, and now I could mark it. So now we can really see how much product I can use until the finale. I'm really not sure if I can finish this one here up. There is so much product in this one here. I have started to use this product as an eyeshadow primer as well as a concealer, and it really helped me get some more use out of it because my primer that I have been using before is a bit too drying for me in the winter time, so a concealer works better. And especially this one here because it is more of a creamy one and more of a, I don't know, it's not too drying, so I really like this one. And it works very well as an eyeshadow primer, and I set it with my Milani powder, so that works really good. So now we are here and I really hope that I can make a lot of progress until the finale. I try my best. I don't know if I can finish it, but it would be so great if I could finish this one here, but I'm really not sure. So now we only have 6 products left in this project, and I'm so excited when I see this little box getting more empty and more empty in every update. So this is my last update. So I don't know when the finale will be up. Maybe on the 23rd of December and maybe after Christmas. I'm not quite sure yet. It depends on when I can film and when I can edit everything. But I really want to finish all these products. I don't know if it's possible. If you have ever finished a powder or a concealer like this, let me know how much time it will take, because I really don't know. But I think I'm going to repress the Milani powder because I really want to finish it, and if that helps, then I'm going to do it. So this is it for my update for today. If you want to watch the whole playlist, I will be linking it down below. And don't forget to subscribe so that you don't miss an update or the finale in the end. I have a lot more project pens on my channel if you want to check them out. I will link some of them down below. Thank you all so much for watching. I wish you all an awesome day.